So today I want to show you how to use the Helmmaster X Autopilot system in conjunction with the Garmin 8615. Any of the 86 series will work pretty much the same way if they're needed together with the Helmmaster X system. So what we're going to look at is how to use just a waypoint as a go-to. So all I'm going to do on the screen is hit go-to. Selected a point here, hit the go-to button, and then I'm going to come down here and hit track point on the Helmmaster X Autopilot keypad, and now we are going to this waypoint that you see there. Alright, now with the Helmmaster X system, the boat will either decelerate if you choose, or will just continue past that waypoint. It depends how you have it set up. We'll get into that in another video. But when I want to disengage this, all I have to do is hit menu and hit the navigation option and stop navigating. It'll stop navigating and the Helmmaster X system will deactivate, and now you have the helm again. Pretty simple, really easy to use, and very effective. Thanks for watching.